Good morning, people. How we doing? Tom Show, Sunday morning. Come on early again, as normal. Just finished my walk. Started walking at 2 o'clock this morning, and beautiful morning. Thunderstorms all around us, but no rain. I love the rain, as you all know. So, what have we got on the show this week? Let's have a look. Well, we've got pictures of the week, climates, markets, BTCs, precious metals news, beach day, cooler weather, Anna's trades, loads of pictures. So you're going to enjoy this today, guys. Ones who like the pictures. These are the restaurants I dine in. Screenshot it, do what you want, But these are the restaurants These are my favourite restaurants to dine in, and I've got a few more, and I'll put those on next week's show. But this week just got that. So if you want to know where they are or anything, screenshot them. This is where you'll normally find me. I generally go to these restaurants by myself unless I'm going to Peaky Blinders or La Cremerie, but all the rest I tend to eat solo because I'm an introvert. That's the way it goes. Right. And anyway, we had a beach day. So this is Anna. Look at that. We went down to Lay Maypee Bim Beach. Look how clear that was. Amazing. We was out. I'd water up to my chin. I'm nearly 6'4", and I can still count my toes. It was that clear at the bottom. This one here, this is me getting my visa. In and out, no issues whatsoever. I went down there with me paperwork and my passport, and all done in 2 days. That was all complete. And this is Anna on the right hand side, and she's looking at her phone but doing her makeup at the same time. I just thought it was a really nice photograph I caught of her. So anyway, that went to Lay Maypee Bim Beach. This was the end. Every time we go down there, it always seems to rain at the end of the day. And there's my yellow car. Kind of sticks out, doesn't it, in the rain? And that's the beach, and this is where we go. And this is like the Bali resort we're in there, which is like a pizzeria. Does Thai food. It's okay. It's good. It's good food. And went down there with John, AJ, Meow. No, AJ and John. AJ and John were staying down there, and me and Pry crashed their party, so to speak, and Anna. And of course, we had the food on the beach: shrimps, prawn cakes, omelette. Yeah, very very nice. We got down there for breakfast, and this is lovely AJ, and the food in front of her, that was oysters, and this is like a mango salad. And this is me having a kip because I was knackered. I've been up early walking. Yes, Anna persuaded me to go on the banana boat. And I said, look at me, muscles, look. I don't think so. And why am I doing this ape look? You know what I mean? It's like something out of Planet of the Apes, aren't I? There you go. I definitely need to lose more weight, though. There's Pry and there's Anna. I went on the back of the banana boat. There you go. It's the first for me. 63 years of age, never been on a banana boat, but I've done it now. And the girls are just laughing at me, This is Lay Maypee Bim Beach. When we first got down there, you can see the water is so clear. It's crystal clear. It's like being on Samet or Chang. The water's so clear there. And basically, it's in between Samet and Chang anyway. And was over on the dark side and kind of come around this corner really high up and had this view looking all over Pratnack Hill, Pattaya to the right, John Tien to the left. I thought, what a nice picture. So I took that. We went over to the Creme, and we had a wine breakfast because Pride was with us. So and we got an Ich bin Lina here. We got a Berliner, which is like a custard-filled donut. Very, very pleasant. And this is my lovely wife. I don't muck around when it comes to wine. It's one thing I do know in life is wine. So yeah, So when we go there, Pry loves it because I always treat it to a few bottles of wine. And then the day I picked my passport up, went into Casa Pascual, and yeah, you can see the weight is coming off me eventually. And this is my breakfast, which was chicken, a 3-egg omelette, back bacon, hash browns, that's cured pork, and this was a sweet corn salad, which was absolutely divine. John and AJ were already there, and there's John with his blueberry, it's like a blueberry yogurt dessert with a creme flame, what was it, a creme brulee and a flan. Very, very pleasant. And Prize, look, you see Prize not happy there because she ain't got a bottle of wine in front of her. Look, she's drinking orange juice. It's killing her. Anyway, this week Anna had to do a project at school. As you know, we live in the studio, so we live in really restricted area, really. We'll start doing a build next year. Anyway, so this is Pry giving Anna lessons, and Pry had to record it for the school to make sure she wasn't cheating. So Pry is teaching Anna how to do a flower display. Very nice. I went out with Steve, good old Steve, and his Mally, his wife. Her mum's not very well, so I'm not even sure if it's open today. This is the chicken. This was the best roast chicken I've ever had. I always thought the best roast chicken I ever had was in Spain, but this come very, very close to it, if not the same. It was very, very good. And this is like a mojo verde and a mojo rojo salsa. Very, very pleasant, this. Basically, we had 3 halves of chicken, 2 beers and a water. Steve paid, which was very kind of him. And he drove. I think he drove and he drove and paid. And the whole lot come to about 420 baht. It was absolutely crazy. And this is me and Steve. So, we have a tough life, me and Steve. And off to Peaky Blinders. Lovely tomato, a cream of tomato soup with a grilled cheese sandwich. A wet burrito. This was like a cheesecake on the left, which was amazing, but I didn't have it because I was just too full. And John had this lovely chicken roulade stuffed with spinach and everything. Beautiful. Look at it, stunning on the plate, that. I had the spaghetti carbonara and the ice cream. It come with an apricot, like an apricot jam, but I'm not into apricots. Valley View restaurant, yep. So I'm not sure if that's open today. So if you go to Valley View today, just check, because I'm not sure if his Mrs. is back. I haven't seen no adverts or anything yet. If you need to contact me at all, there's my email, and there's my QR code for my line. Line is a great device I use, and we all use it here. So I never ring anyone. We all use Line to contact each other. Don't forget, expert links are in the description for health insurance, visas, driving licenses, and a whole lot more about Thailand. Also got bullion dealers in there, wise money transfers. None of those links, I'm not affiliated to any of those links. So I'm not saying it's advice, you don't have to use them, but I don't get anything from it, which I don't need. I've got enough money, so I don't need other people's money, thank God. So I'm not trying to sell you any bullshit. Let's go on to the climate. Well, the rainy season has gone on a lot later. So, yeah, the rainy season is a lot later. So here we go. Yeah, so the rainy season here. You see, wow, so much for net zero and no rain. Well, the rainy season's carried on, and it's a good news. And this is me coming off the motorway. You can see this storm. This storm was, and then this is the result when we got home. Amazing. This is the car. Look how well it's looking. Look, That was after it had been cleaned. Beautiful. And news, well, Thai gangster, he evades police for the second time. Apparently, they reckon he's been tipped off. Soy Picao, they're going to make it one way, hopefully. This could be great news. It could mean that Jim and Michael and John could all drive down Soy Picao because their trucks are a bit too big to go down there. It really is like wacky races, if you remember that as a kid. Entertainment zone can serve alcohol to 4 a.m. in the morning. Well, to be honest with you, it's no good at me. I'm never up that late. And what else we got down there? Scam. Oh yeah, some guy got scammed, and he found the scammer and shot him. That's what you call karma, isn't it? And they're after the guy who shot him. I'll give him a medal. Air pollution. Yeah, the air pollution's back. You know, it's pretty bad up in Pattaya. It's good down in Rayong, but I can tell the difference already. But it just goes to show you really need to do your own work before you come here about where you want to live. And expats taxing, this is still going on. You know, there's so many videos on it, you know, and until it comes up, until they decide what they want to do, I won't worry about it, because if they're going to change the tax law they've got to change it between now and the 1st of January to get it in force for next year. If they don't get it in by January the 1st, they've got to wait till the following tax year. And that's the way it works, because if you look at all the tax treaties and everything else, they all go in place from April the 1st every year. So I'm not worried about this, and I think 99% of people have got nothing to worry about. You know, if you're a criminal, if you're a crook, if you're getting money from illegal, you know, or bloody, I don't know, then you could be in trouble. But I really wouldn't worry about this, you know, because there's plenty of other options where to live in the world other than Thailand. This is why net zero is bullshit. If you look at this, it says China is responsible for 30% of the emissions. Yeah, and India is only 7.3%, and meanwhile America's 13%. I reckon this is the agency having a go at America, because I reckon India is probably more responsible for carbon emissions than China, and I will show you the map coming up. And look, there's no Thailand on here. Now you think of that Chang Mai, where you can't live there for like 9 months of the year because the air quality is so poor. Look at this. Look, no, and Thailand's not on there. Cambodia's not on there. Vietnam's not on there. Bangladesh is not on there. Pakistan's not there. Kuwait's not there. Which do far, far more emissions than. So this map, I think, is just bullshit. Anyway, on our drive out the other day, saw these beautiful elephants. Look at that. And on the left-hand side in the corner, got a wonderful, wonderful lizard. And here comes the map. Look at this for a map. So you can see with the red patches, see these red patches here over Burma or Myanmar, whatever it's called. If you look up here, you can see the red already spreading down to Chiang Mai already. It's red already. And you can see down at Pattaya here, you got like 101. The air quality is bad. Or if you want to go north of Ubon Thani, up towards the border there, you know, look, 144. So if you go down the south where we live, down here, 32, which is nice. When I go to the next map, look, where's the emissions coming from? You tell me. It's coming out of India. If you look at the Philippines on the east coast, it could be quite a good place. This island over here, I have to check it out. I have to ask Chris what it's all about, that island. But you can see what happens is from India, from the airflows, it just ends up eventually sweeping down to Thailand and everywhere else. And we get bad air quality because of India. So if you're going to do anything about emissions, you need to deal with India first, because this is a massive, massive area. Anyway, this is the forecast for next month. They're saying we're not going to have no more rain. The nice thing is as well, the temperatures at night are coming down to 22, they're saying. So 24, 22, 25, these are great night temperatures. You don't need aircon. And don't forget, be careful of the scammers. Protect your data. You know, I'm probably I protect my data. I probably overprotect my data compared to most people. Never publish your date of birth, real date of birth. No, never publish your address. Don't trust anybody. Keep Facebook contacts under 50. And to be honest with you, I'm going to change that in the new year to 25. It's just the way it goes. Go to the markets because I've got a busy day today. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. Really do your own research before you invest in anything, please. Yeah, don't follow me because you can be bankrupt. Anna's trading account. So this is the end of her first quarter. So this is from the 1st of August until the weekend until the 3rd week of November. So basically a net profit margin so far year to date, she's up 21.39%, cash margin of $10,695. Total value of her account now is $60,695 US dollars. Sorry about that. Too early in the morning for me. This is so. Anna's trading account's doing really well. This is her. She sits on her desk and she's learning the charts basically. So with a bit of luck, Anna will never ever work for anyone because the way I trade is totally different to most people. I believe in what Warren Buffett says. I don't short the market. I never use leverage. Yeah, so whenever I buy stock, I either own it or I don't own it. That's it. But this trading account at 50, I'm trying to see if I can convert that into 100 in a year. I should be able to do that. Dixie, well, this is the reason why a lot of our currency has been hammered because the Dixie got quite weak. It went down to like 104. It's now making a bit of a recovery. Died off at close on Friday, but it's at 105, just below 106. So we're looking good to get back to 106, hopefully, because I'm not bringing any money over until I can get a better exchange rate. US dollar, yes, the Dixie has rebounded, looking strong above 36. Yeah, so you can see this on Friday. This bounced up, and this bounced up, I reckon, because of Moody's downgraded. They didn't downgrade, but they kind of slagged off the American government for their fiscal policy, their financial policies. And this bounced right up to 36.4 before coming back down to 36 point. This was at close. So this was at close of the FX market, which closes after the Wall Street closes. I think on Monday we could be in for a few surprises. Canada dollar. Looks like it's on its way up again. Very nice. You've made 26, so it's nice. Australian dollar heading back to 23, just below it. It's looking strong though to hit 23 this week. The Swiss franc, which is always strong. Andrea and Fabian, this is for. We're looking very strong at 39.933. So should make 40 by the way this is going. Looks like it's rolling over slightly at the top there, but may make 40. Euros looks like it's going to go down on Monday from this. Got a spinning top here. This is turning over at the top, so on Monday I reckon it's going to go down. So if anyone who's got euros, they want to exchange euros to Thai baht in wires, do it today because you'll get 38.455, and you won't get that on Monday. GB pounds, much the same. I would say the same. If I was going to bring pounds over, I would do it today rather than wait till Monday. Hello, Al, how you doing? All right there? No, I'll just come on early, Al, because I go walking early. You'll see me this morning, but I go walking really early. I go walking like 2 o'clock in the morning. Crude oil price is rolling over. It's going lower. Shame crude oil don't go down to bloody -$8 again, isn't it? Natural gas, this is coming down. I would re-enter, but I need to go below $3. I'm not going to re-enter unless it's $3, less than $3. But it is coming down. So hopefully, you never know, might get monkey hammered on Monday. Gold, I reckon gold's going to rebound on Monday. On Monday it's going to rebound, but gold has got great support at 1910, 1980, 1880 and 1810. But this looks like it's going to rebound on Monday. Hopefully silver will rebound as well, because I've got two swing trades on this. One of them's Anna's, one of them's mine, but I just got to split the difference so for our accounts. They're both for the same amount of money, so I've cost averaged in on this at 22.68. So I'm a little bit behind. We're a little bit behind, not a lot, a little bit behind, nothing to panic about. I could easily swing back on Monday. Platinum, we're in a trade on here, so I'm in at 906, way behind. So I'm in up here, and it's now so I'm about $50 behind on that per ounce. Wow. Am I panicking? No. Will I lose in that trade? No, because I'll just stay in it until I'm in profit. Simple way. So that's the way I trade. It's very, very simple. Palladium, well, I'm so glad I didn't go into a trade on this week, because I've been waiting a long time to get back my money. It's dropped about 200. I think it's dropped about $200 this week, and it's come down to 967. So hopefully on Monday this will come down even further, but you never know with palladium. When this bounces to the up, it will go up by like 4, 5, 6%, because palladium's just like gold on drugs. BTC, well, everyone's waiting for the ETF in America, and but a lot of financial institutions are buying already. This is forcing up the price of Bitcoin. Not only the price of Bitcoin, it's also pushing up the price of all the other coins as well. But Bitcoin is looking very strong at 37.5, 37,500. So look at that. I'm only about 10 grand behind on my Bitcoin now. I told you I'd never lose on a trade. This is a classic example. Sam, SBF, going to jail for a very long time, and he deserves it. Look how his token has taken off since he was found guilty of all 7 charges. So he was found guilty down here, and it was trading at roughly about $1 or just under, and it actually went up to about $5.50. So you could have had a nice swing trade there. I'm no doubt there's some crypto guys who had a great week last week. Good luck to them. S&P 500, I reckon this is going to get turned over on Monday. I reckon that debt warning is going to turn this over. But if not, will it make another high by Christmas? I don't think so. Dow, is this the rally, Christmas rally, the Santa rally? I don't think so. I think this debt thing's going to really come back to all of them. I believe we are here. I believe the market's going to come down to here. But I believe we're in complacency mode, because a lot of people are just complacent. So anyone who's got any pensions, you need to look at where your money is invested. It's really important you need to keep an eye on it. Do not trust the people managing your pensions, because they're not looking after you. All they want from you is your commissions. And I still believe we are here before we have a recession. So I still believe we're a year away from a recession. TLT, well, all those people who bought, I didn't buy this, but when it was down at 83 and it was like just above 82, they've just made a killing on this. I would still buy at 87, but you need to, I would wait, but this is going to be a massive one to be in. When they start cutting interest rates, this will take off. And don't forget, this is what I believe in. Don't have any debt, no mortgage, no credit card debt, no car loans, no bank loans, no pay later deals. I believe in like collectibles, crypto, art, watches, owned property, and having property abroad. I believe in gold, paper money, treasury bills. That's what I believe in. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, everybody. I'll put my face back on now so everyone can see me. Don't forget, not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please use your own due diligence, and please do your own research. And here we go. Well, Thanksgiving's on its way. Yeah, Thanksgiving's on its way. So I hope you're doing well, Chris. Hope you're doing well, Joe. And Al, give us a thumbs up. Yeah, so that's about it, really. So life is good today. And if I don't see you before, guys, I'll see you next week. But when you're coming over, let us know. Meet up for a lunch or a sushi or something. But until then, have a safe week. I think I'm losing. Am I losing more weight? Still, I've still got a few more necks to lose, I think. Until then, have a great week. Stay safe. Hasta luego. Ciao. And stay safe.